Yo, 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 what's up? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing today? Trader 007, good morning. G-Man, good morning. Texas, good morning. Good morning, all. Good morning to absolutely everybody. Happy Monday, yo. Happy Monday. Happy freaking Monday. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys had a good weekend. If you're just coming in, let's go ahead and get it out the way early, chat. Let's go ahead and get it out the way early. Let's go ahead and smash that like button, man. You know what I mean? What do we think, chat? Let's go ahead and smash the like button, get the like button, like get the likes up early. You know what I mean? Andrew, good morning. What up? What's happening? Like I said, if you just tune in, so get the likes up early. We are giving away a straight to funded account today. Uh-oh. Y'all already know the deal. The duck races are coming through. We're going to fire up the duck race today. Somebody, chat, somebody is winning a 50K straight to funded account with Tradeify today on this stream. Somebody's going to win. Somebody is going home today with a 50K straight to funded. Who's it going to be? Who's going to be the winner? Texas says, Texas is already claiming victory over all of you. Holy. Chat market's open, by the way. We just opened up. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. Don't be a degen. Jeff says, quack, quack. You already know the deal. The ducks are coming out. They are coming out, chat. Holy. Redneck. Hang on, chat. I gotta look up something real quick just to send over to Tradeify. Hang on. Give me just 1 second, chat. Let's see. Hang on, chat. Give me just a second. Hang on, chat. I'm trying to get something situated with Tradify right now. Give me just a second. Oh boy, hang on, chat. I'm trying to get something solved here, real quick. How was your weekend? My weekend was absolutely fabulous, chat. Well, how was y'all's weekend, man? How was y'all's weekend? What'd y'all do? All right. Sorry, chat. I didn't get something situated. Okay. Bags fly out tomorrow morning. Oh yeah, G-Man, you're in Hawaii, right? Oh wait, no, you're about to go to Hawaii. Is that right? About to go to Hawaii. Fly out 9 a.m. Eastern tomorrow. Holy. Gonna be a long flight there, brother. From Europe and New York. New York to Hawaii. Holy. That's gonna be a long flight. How long is that flight, G? Ten and a half hours. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Yeah, that's gonna be a long one. Texas says my back. Yeah, no kidding, bro. Yo, I'm terrified of flights, chat. Like me and flying don't get along well at all. I am chat. Flying is like my biggest fear. I hate planes. I hate planes. I think because if something goes wrong, it's completely out of my control and I'm dead. Like you're just dead. Like there's nothing. I can't, bro. I can't do flights. I am absolutely terrified, chat. Terrified. Notice a lot going wrong with planes lately. I haven't noticed. Is there? I don't know. Don't look, Texas. Don't scare G-Man out of his flight. don't scare G out of his flight, bro. Holy. Over the last few years, now, yeah. I mean, there's been G-Man's like, yo, G's like, can we change this conversation? G about to bounce up out of here, bro. Holy. Golly, bro. Holy. Let's talk about gold and the pump it did last night. Yo, did it pump last night, chat? Hold on, let me look. Let's take a little look. A little look ski. Yeah, a little bit of a pump. It gave a little pump last night. Oh, look at NQ selling here. Holy. NQ selling. Bo says, hey, what's happening, dudes? What's up, dude? How you doing? Mr. Bond, good morning. Texas was in a short. Nice, G. Called the long at 33.87. Holy moly. Chat, we're giving away a 50K straight to funded. Just reminding y'all, be sure to be here because we are doing some duck races today. But chat, I cannot do it unless we get likes up. We need likes on the stream, chat. We have 21 people, 10 likes. We need to get more likes on the stream. Like ASAP, bro. ASAP. Redhead says races. There's one race, first off. One race. Y'all get one race. All right, chat, hold on. Let's take a little look here at the NAS real quick. It's a Monday, chat, so don't expect too much out of the markets. Let's see what kind of news we got today. What kind of news we got, chat? Nothing really a whole lot. Nothing happening really today. Tomorrow, nothing really happening either. Wednesday, nothing unless you trade oil. We do have FOMC minutes on Wednesday. Kind of a non-news event week until we get to really Thursday. We have PMI and jobless claims. Kind of a newsless week, chat. New here, what other races? We use duck races to do the giveaways. So I'll have you guys type in a keyword in the chat. That'll automatically enter you in for the race. And if your duck wins the race, then you win the 50K straight to funded account. Am I doing that today? Yes. Yeah, we are doing a 50K straight to funded giveaway today. Straight to fundo. I figured out why I'm always poking fun at you. You look like my kid brother when he shaves his head. And that's impossible to look like your kid brother, Corey, because as we all know, I am the absolute best looking bald guy on the internet. Hi, by the way. So that is absolutely impossible. First off, there is no other better looking bald guy right now. I'm telling you. Holy moly, look at the Nasdaq buying up here. G-Man's in second, bro. No matter what G-Man says, bro, he's second. He can have second place, but I'm claiming the best looking bald guy. I'm sorry. Sorry, G-Man. Just it ain't it. James, I'm delusional. Nah, bro. Nah. 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 I don't think so. I don't think so. I really don't. Holy moly, what a sell. Nasdaq just getting absolutely just brutalized totally. Nasdaq getting absolutely smoked. Nasdaq getting smoked. Holy moly, what happened, chat? What happened? Nasdaq seeing the pressure. Nasdaq is seeing the pressure, chat. Those 736s look very interesting. Nasdaq getting smoked here, chat. Looking very heavy. Those 736s look pretty interesting. We come down and smoke those. Do we come down and smoke those, chat? Andrew says I'm long. Texas is short. Holy moly, people. We got people long, people short, people in all sorts of directions. I'm flat. We got people long and short. Holy. Nasdaq catching a little bit of a bid. I was gonna enter long, but glad I didn't. Yeah, Nasdaq just got absolutely brutalized. It's not looking good. Not looking good, chat. We'll see if buyers can hold this here, unless sellers come through, man. I don't know, or unless buyers come through. It doesn't look good. It look like we come down and pop these 30. Was that actually? That's 30. 734. 734. So unless buyers come in, chat, the 734s look very likely. Very likely. It is a Monday, so we can expect some sideways action, especially with no news. So breakout trades, chat, could be a little bit sketchy. There could be a lot of breakouts and then fake outs. I like to call them break and fakes. Chat, I'm coining that one. Break and fakes. Holy. Or fakes and traps absolutely everybody and then rips in the other direction. People expecting a breakout to the low end, get short, buyers step in and absolutely shred this thing higher. It's the break and fake. We haven't quite snapped these lows yet either, chat. Buyers trying to hold this step in here, trying to hold a bid, but so far not able to push us. Looking at Bookmap, we have some liquidity stacked lower in the 37s. So we could go down and hunt those 37s, chat. Well, liquidity stacked lower, we could go down and hunt that. First TP 639, second TP 594. 594. Golly, Texas. Holy moly. All right, there's that pop of those lows. Still testing. Still haven't popped these 34s yet though. $34s have yet to get popped. Chow, I'll be honest. What I would love to see, and this is what I want to see. And Texas, I know you're short, looking for those 594s, but I'm looking for a sweep of these 34s here, and an absolute bid out of it. I don't really expect a trending day to the downside, chat. I don't. Not on a Monday, and not on especially on a non-news day. I don't know how I feel about a trending market today. So I am going to be looking for a sweep out of these 34s to then see if we catch a bid out of it. But we could catch a bid out of sweeping these lows here. We'll see. Ideally for me, in a perfect world, we sweep those 34s, catch a bid out of it, catch a long. But it's possible we catch a bid here after sweeping these lows. I think of the market like just wanting to trap people today. Like that's what I'm thinking. Like the market could potentially trap a lot of people trading breakouts today because it's no news, nothing. Cash Pete says NQ will go down today. It will? Where's it going to? Texas has my TPs. 22,600, he says. Mr. Bond says in and out kind of day. I love in and out. Love in and out. Chat, if you've never been to in and out, first off, you need to go. But anyways, took a 15-point short and ran. In and out's the way to do it. In and out is the way to do it. LNB, good morning. Texas says agreed. Ezra Rye is in the building. What's up? All right, chat. Was this the sweep of the lows and a buy up out of it? Is this going to be it? Never been to that place. Isn't it a West Coast thing? Is In and Out a West Coast thing? I don't know. I don't think so. Is it? It might be. I've been to one. I just don't remember where. Corey says yes. So I guess In and Out is a West Coast thing. They're expanding other states slowly. They're welcome to come to Missouri. Chat, where I live in Missouri is like food capital. Okay. Like where I live, we are a extremely large food driven community. Like there is new restaurants just popping up left and right. I mean, that's what my area is, bro, is food. 100% food. Greece is top. Sending high from the beach. Yo, Ezra, I'm on my way. You know what I mean? I'm on my way, bro. What up, Mario? Anyone take that short from the London tab? We've had some people short. The market's catching that bitch. All right, so that's pretty much what we talked about. Pretty much what happened. I mean, we swept these lows. I was in a perfect world. I wanted to sweep 34s here. We came down and basically tested it. We did not sweep these, but we did sweep these lows, and then buyers just caught an absolute bid and tried that the other way. I'm telling you, bro. Like, no news Monday. A lot of traps are going to be in place. A lot of traps. A lot of people are going to get short thinking the market it's going to get heavy and trend, and it's just not. You got to watch out for those types of moves, bro. The Nasdaq is notorious for that. Notorious. Session Flow, happy Monday. Good morning. Good morning. Big. BIG. The notorious big. I know, Corey, I already knew where you were going with it. Well, that would have been a good launch. I really was waiting for this to get swept. I wanted this to get taken, and we stopped just a point short of it. Not even a point. I mean, we stopped like a few ticks short. I really wanted to see this get taken, bro, before I took the long. But it's like we took these lows and then just absolutely shredded. And now we're back to VWAP. I'll sit down and shut up. Smart. That's pretty smart, Corey. Holy. Chad, if you haven't hit the like button, what are you even doing, bro? First time you've been nice to me. Corey, you're never nice to me, dog. Like, it's like you wake up and tune into my stream and think, how can I like terrorize Joey today? Like, I feel like that's what you think about. Side market, yes, market is moving completely sideways. There is nothing exciting about this market yet. Nothing exciting at all. I love it. It's all right, Corey. It's all right. When are you back on Trify stream? Was supposed to be tomorrow, but we are moving my day to another day this week. So we're trying to lock that in. I'll let you guys know. Should be some point this week. But we're trying to lock in a different day than tomorrow. So All right, are we gonna shred above VWAP? That was a pretty interesting buy up here. We might look for a little pullback to catch the longs here. But overall, not too excited about this. This is keeping from being bored waiting for my yearly physical holiday. Glad we can entertain you and keep you from being bored. Nice little pullback here. Smacking into this FVG. Absolutely smacking into it. Getting heavy again, kinda. Mr. Chicago's in the building. What's up? We got G-Man and Corey short. Holy moly. Mr. Sean Chicago King in the building. Yo, Sean, yo, Chicago, you need to change your name to that. Sean Chicago King, bro. That sounds fire. Sean Chicago King, bro. Holy. How have you not done that already? Tell my wife that. She says it's a name, not a title. Do the wives really have an input? We are men. We do what we want. We make our own decisions, chat. We are the leaders. Also assume you're always wrong when you're married. Nah. Nah. You stand your ground, chat. All the men in here, bro, you stand your ground. Oh no, Veronica. Veronica. Veronica's not having it. We all know and all men know women rule. Do you? Chad, do you have an argument for that? Texas. Oh no. Texas says in the kitchen. No. Oh. Oh no. Oh my goodness. Chat, y'all gonna get me canceled, bro. I can't. Y'all gonna get me so fucking canceled, bro. Oh man. That's what I needed on a Monday. Texas is gonna cause some shit in here. I think so. Oh my god. Oh, this is what happens when the market is boring. Yep. It is, bro. Holy. Veronica knows. Yeah. Holy. Chat. All right, hold on. Let's reverse. Let's chat. I'm gonna say this so I don't get canceled, bro. All right. I'm gonna say this so I don't get canceled, so I can make sure I'm positioned on the right side of things, okay? Because this chat's taking a wild turn. All right. So I gotta make sure I don't get canceled. All right. Women are great at raising our children. All right. Me, I'm a busy dude. All right. I'm a busy dude. My wife's stay home. She does a phenomenal job at raising our kids when I'm busy and working. I'm gonna put that out there just so I don't get canceled. All right. I'm gonna throw that out there. Think that chat, think that disclaimer protects me from being canceled. Oh god. Why do I have an urge to long this, bro? Because we're just sitting here holding this. I just don't like that we're in the middle of this range. It looks like we could hold this and send it. I'm waiting for the liquidity sweep of 730 to go long or 880 to short. Well, there's the push. There was the push. Chat, that looks like a big push, but it's only like 12 points. Market ain't doing nothing today, bro. Nothing. Holy. Boring market today, chat. Boring market. Doing nada. Chat, can anybody in here teach me Spanish? I have a subscription to Babbel. I can learn it, and I can get on live classes and learn in live classes. Redneck, bro. That's never gonna go away, redneck. Can anyone teach you anything? Chat, should I ban her? Should I give Corey the ban? Actually, I could give G-Man the honors. He does a very good job. I could give G-Man the mod role on YouTube. He does a very good job at banning people in Discord when they're spam. Corey I think, chat, should I ban her? Should I give her the silent treatment? Corey, I'm not saying you're spam. I'm saying G-Man bans people that come into my Discord and spam a lot of people. Like they come in and put in a whole lot of spam messages. G-Man drops the Thor hammer. I might let G-Man drop the Thor hammer on you. Crickets, guys. I'm saying, yeah, chat. Y'all really want her to stay? She's over here just bashing me, and y'all are gonna accept that, chat? Is that what we're doing on Monday? That's the vibes on a Monday. Y'all gonna let that happen? Redneck says one less duck. That is true. It would be one less duck, bro. Holy. Wowzers. Veronica says, of course, it's boring in the market. Chat, that's the vibes. I got out of bed on a Monday for y'all to accept someone bashing me. Is that my chat right now? If market is no bueno, we gotta find entertainment. So bashing me is your entertainment. That's what this is. Chat, no matter what you guys say, bro, y'all can bash me all you want. All right, y'all can bash me all you want, but that doesn't take away the fact that I'm the best looking bald guy here. All right, I'm sorry. It doesn't take that away. Y'all can bash me all you want. Look at this buy up, dude. What is the market doing? Chat, does anybody know what the market's doing? Mr. Chicago King says, leave JM alone in my leave Britney voice. And I'm the most handsome bald guy. Okay, number one, Sean, Chicago, bro. I appreciate you stepping in. But you're not. You can have third place. I think G-Man's already claimed second. Market forgot to take his bipolar meds. Yes, it did. What is the market even doing, chat? Like, what is this? This is some like. Like what? What are we doing? Summer price action, folks. Yeah, that is true. Summer price action is shit. If I win the straight to funded, I'll name every fish in your local lake in alphabetical order. If you do that anyways, I will probably give you an account. Okay, buy up. We went and took these lows. Now we're going to go take these highs. Symphony. Looks like it might be trying to take the high. It looks like it. Right now we're hovering previous day's close at 804. Looking like we're going straight to the highs. I'm okay having set out of this. I'm not feeling this PA. What a buy up, dude. No, Sash, I'm not helping you. You got to go back and find it. You got to go back and find it. There goes the highs. I mean, chat is a 50.5 minute candle. You did call a long Joey. It just happened early. Yeah. I mean, I liked, again, I mean, that's why I said, like, the market is bound to trap people today. A sweep of lows and then shredding it at the other end, bound to happen, especially on a non-news day. Now that we've taken the highs, I'm kind of keen on shorts at this point because, again, I'm not really expecting a trending market today. Chat, we have 689. Look at Bookmap. We have 689 contracts sitting down here at 76, I think. Wait, what is that actually? At 80, sorry. At 80. 689 contracts at 780. That's wild. All right, now that we've taken the high, wow, what a freaking move, dude. Out of nowhere. Also, chat, as a reminder, the Tradeify promo for 50% off. I know it says 35% at the top of the screen, but if you look at the bottom right-hand side, there's a promo there for 50% off. That ends today, just as an FYI. Their 50K and 25K Lightning funded accounts are 50% off right now. You can use that link there if you want to get some accounts before it ends. I'm not sure. I have no idea what's happening after this. I know they got some promos going, but for their year anniversary. So I don't know if what's going after this, if there is going to be anything. But all I know is that this 50% off their 50K and 25K promos end today. How long do you have to use them? And can you give them to someone? I don't know if you can give them to somebody else. What do you really know, JM, that you're about to get banned? Holy moly. Now we full send this thing back down, chat. Watch. Now we absolutely full send this thing straight back down. There you go. I'm fixing to start just, bro. That's twice. That's twice, chat. That is twice. Twice. That's twice I have said I really liked a trade and I didn't take it, and it actually just freaking smoked in that direction, bro. That's twice. Look at that. Now we come all the way back down the lows, chat. Watch. Now we're going to come down and smoke this 34 level. 34 about to go get ran through. Your discipline is amazing. I'm a very conservative trader. Very conservative. Some call me a boring trader, but you know what? I don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't care. I'm going to trade the way I make money, bro. Very conservative. Look at this thing, dude. I mean, now we're coming right down those 34s. Those 34s are about to get absolutely smoked. Takes a lot not to take a trade. It does. Yeah, it does. But I mean, I have no point, and there's no, I don't have to take a trade, to be honest. Like I don't feel the need to. Back in the short, I really do think we come down to those 34s. I think 34s are going to get ran through. Like if the setup for me, if the setup doesn't feel easy, I'm not taking it. Like, yeah, I said up here, I like the shorts being back below the highs. Look what happened. Here, I said I like the longs. I like the sweep of the lows here and the longs, but I wanted the sweep of 34s, not the sweep of these. Missed trade. So I do miss a lot of trades. But the ones I do take are usually pretty clean trades. Whether they're losses or wins, they're clean. So it is what it is, baby. Must have been all the banned people before me that said you're boring. I have had people come in and be like, yo, when are you taking a trade? When I fucking want to. That's when I'm taking a trade. Boring equals money. Yes, that is facts. This is the day where accounts get smoked. Totally. Yes. This is the day where accounts get smoked. When accounts get smoked, this is the day where accounts do get smoked. Yeah. I would rather be boring and profitable than exciting and fake. Yeah, 100%, bro. 100%. I'm also trading a real $25,000 account that I funded myself. You think I'm gonna spam trades, bro? Like I funded like this account that I am trading now. You can't see my account number because it is a live account. I'm not gonna show you my account number. But I do have a $25,000 account pulled up here that I'm trading that I funded myself. So why would I spam trades in it? Like, no. Y'all are seeing somebody trade a real live money account live. Who else is doing that? Nobody. Nobody is trading a live money account in front of y'all. There might be a few, actually. I think Rips does it. Calm your bitch show? No, I will not calm him. I will not calm him down. Get me on a rant. When you get me on a rant, you get a rant, okay? My rants usually turn into exciting stuff. All right, little pop here, back up to VWAP. We'll see if we reject VWAP. Corey, I didn't catch any fish this weekend, okay? I didn't catch anything. Relax. I went Friday night and didn't catch a single thing. That Celsius kicking in? Yes, the Celsius is kicking in. That is right, yeah. Celsius is kicking in. Chat, I gotta go do some cardio, some fasted cardio, because I haven't eaten breakfast, so I'm doing like a fasted. I like this cardio workout program thing that I'm doing now that I kind of created myself. So it's I gotta go do that because I have like a torn, or it's not torn, a strain in my bicep, so I can't lift or do anything until that heals, and so I have to do like cardio hit training just to do something until this heals. So I have this hit training program that I'm trying until I can lift again. I gotta go do that after stream. Are we gonna reject VWAP here and come down? I still think these 34s come get run through. Get that desk treadmill. Yeah. I do want one. I feel I might get one actually. You tore what? So I don't have a tear. I have like a strain in my, like, here, chat. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. Hang on. It's like in this, like right here. I have a strain in the tendons right here. Whatever it's called. And so I can't lift. I have to let it heal. Enrique, I don't have a full screen scene to pull up for the Bookmap. I just have it as like a little thing. I'll actually, you know what? I might. Hang on. Maybe I do. Here, chat, hang on. Give me a second. Give me a second to fix this here. Let's do window capture. And then would be this. There we go. There. It's kind of like stretched out, but oh well. There's the full screen. Put your puny muscles away. They're definitely puny right now because I have not been able to lift at all. And usually I have pretty good arms, but right now they're definitely nothing because Again, can't lift. Teach you Bookmap. Bookmap's a lot simpler than people think it is. I mean, it's like, chat, I'll just do it while we're waiting because the market's doing nothing right now. Hang on. I'll just pull it up. Really, like, I'm just looking at areas of liquidity, right? I mean, we have, you see the orange bubbles up there, or the orange lines up there at 790, 800. Like, those are all liquidity levels that are where resting orders are stacking, and anything above price on Bookmap is sellers. All right, so anything that's above price, you see the price bubbles moving right now on the lines, that's where price currently is. Anything above that is sellers, anything below it is buyers. All right, and so we have a lot of sellers sitting up at 790s, moving down to, let's see, looking below price, we have some buyers down at 735. Just shows me areas of resting liquidity where there's limit orders, right? And so I use those levels to figure out basically where people are interested at in the markets. And these those levels, those liquidity levels tend to act as magnets, right? Whether they happen quickly or they take all day to go, they tend to act as a magnet for price. And so price tends to move to these levels of liquidity. And so I use that as a general idea. I don't use it to make really trading decisions. It just gives me a general direction on where I think price could go. That's really it. You're the best and kind of smart. You're welcome. You got it, Enrique. I mean, there are some people that use Bookmap and go into like extreme depths with it because there's a lot of settings you can do, a lot of different things you can look at. You can look at session volume profiles, time and sales. Like, there's a lot. Like, even if I go back to Bookmap here, hold on. Like, you see time and sales, that column in the middle, right to just to the right of the order book. Like, I have time and sales here, and I set it for a minimum size of 10, so nothing under 10, like a contract size of 10 contracts would show under here. But green is buyers, red is sellers, and I can look at time and sales to see how many orders got filled where, and different things. And then you have session volume profile on the right there. So, I mean, there's so many different things you can do. You can change all of these too. You can change it here, look at different things, and just, yeah, whatever you want to do with it. But I like to keep it at its most simplest form and just use it for areas of liquidity. So it does go much deeper than what I explained, but depends on how you want to use it. Chat, I haven't taken a single trade, bro. I haven't taken a single trade. I mean, the market is just doing nothing, which is kind of upsetting because I was hoping to have some good PA today, but there's just nothing for me to take. What time is it? 9:42? Chat, at 10 o'clock in 18 minutes, we're going to do the giveaway. Session flow is still trying to find the one straight holy. Digging. We're doing the giveaway in 18 minutes, chat. Well, 17 minutes now. 17 minutes. We got 34 people. If we could get 40 likes on the stream, 40 likes, chat, we'll do it. Need 40 likes. Y'all need 11 more likes. Y'all can do it, bro. Y'all can do it. Hopefully we get some better PA in the afternoon. I will come back live this afternoon, chat. You now need 9 more likes. Wait, where's the... Oh, chat, hang on. Where's the raffle thing on here? Hang on, chat. Wait, is it widgets? Raffles, here we go. All right. Once we get 9 more likes. Oh, here comes that 34, chat. 34s are inbound. There it is. Sweep of 34s. We take these lows, go up and take these highs, go down and take this low. Now what's the next high? Up here? Holy. I wasn't even paying attention, chat. I didn't even see that we were selling. I was trying to get the setup, the giveaway set up here. 598, just like I called it. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to 598, bro. It is going to 598. Now we rallied to 830s, probably. Now we just get this mega rally going. Chat, y'all need 6 more likes, bro. 6 more likes, we do the giveaway. Now we rally. A bid back above chat. Now this is a long I might be willing to take here. 38, low 18. Hold on, chat. Let me look at this for a second. Yeah, I need 5 more likes, by the way. All right, so we swept those 34s, popped back above it. Now we're trading at basically 740s. If I can get a little bit of a pullback here, chat, we're going to take this thing long. If I can get a pullback, I'm taking it long. Ideally, pull back down to 36. Give me 36, I take it. In fact, what I'll do is I'm going to set to go to M&Q here. I'm going to take it on a half size. I'm not going to go full mini. So if it comes down and tests me there, then I'll get in for 5 micros. So I have a limit order for 5 micros set at 737. With a stop set the lows there. We'll see if it comes down to fill me. Could very well just run without me. That's been the case today, unfortunately. It's been the case today, chat. Or it absolutely just runs without me. Might do it now too. This is a pretty tight stop too. So if I get filled on this, well, it's about 20 points. So we're risking, if I get filled on this, we're risking about 200. But it's running without me. Unbelievable, dude. Unfreaking believable. That's what I get for waiting. That is what I get for waiting, bro. Holy. This thing wants to shred higher now. We popped right back into I below. Look at that. That move back into I below was the play, bro. Fuck. Well, I can take those orders off because it ain't coming down to fill me. Damn, dude. That's 3 times I've had trade ideas that fucking I missed. 3, bro. That is 3 times that I've missed my trade idea. I've literally called all of these moves. and I've missed all 3 of them. It's so annoying. So annoying. Chat, y'all need 6 more likes. We'll do the giveaway. 5 more likes. We get 5 more likes, yeah, we'll do it. You got all day, no rush. Yeah. No confirmation, just goes. Yeah, dude, the moves are happening so fast. So fast. I mean, you have to, I would have to literally just taken that on no hesitation and just like, and just took it. That's what's happening today. You just have to fucking take it. Otherwise you miss it. That's literally what's happening. I don't normally like to rush into positions, but man, like if you have a trade idea today, just fucking take it, dude. Because when it goes, it goes. Jesus. Chat, can we get 5 more likes, bro? Y'all can do it. 5 more likes. That's all you need. Five more, and let's do the giveaway. I still want to long this. If I can get a pullback, I'm down to long it. Y'all need 4 more. 4 more likes. Pull back maybe down into the 50s here. We long it. Or it just runs. Andrew says, bad day for me. Oh, don't let it get to you. Take the rest of the day off. Take tomorrow off if you need to. Tomorrow is a new day, but if you're feeling the effects of today, take tomorrow off as well. Just roll it out. We've all been suffering with you long enough. No, you got to earn it. You got to earn it. Just a 15-minute barcode. It really is. You're not wrong about that. This was my A+ chat. This was my A+ setup right here. A sweep of the lows. A sweep of a low back into IB low. That was an A+ setup. This could not have gotten any more perfect for me. It just ran so fast. so fast, and I missed it. Chat, 4 more likes, bro. Come on. Y'all can do 4 more likes. There's no way, right? 3 more. All right, now you need 3 more. 3 more likes and we do it. Y'all got this. Joyce, good morning. Learning how to trade has been one of my most valuable trading lessons to learn. Absolutely. It is a valuable one. I'm going to post in Discord real quick. Say we're about to do the giveaway. Post it on Twitter too. Hang on. Make it on Twitter. Share. Veronica says the like button done. Oh, we got 40, chat. We got 40 likes. We'll give it like a few more minutes because I just posted in Discord and on Twitter. So we'll give it a few minutes to get some other people in here as well. And then we'll go ahead and fire it up. We'll give it just a few minutes here, but we will do it here in a few minutes. And we're right back to VWAP, chat. Right back to VWAP. I'm so mad I missed this, dude. I'm so mad I missed that. That was the trade. That would have been a trade. So us that have been watching have our odds reduced by those who just get the alert. Holy Corey. Yes, that is right. That is 100% right. That's correct. That is correct. All right, let's fire it up. Chat, the code word. Let's see. Hold on. What should the code word be? The code word. Chat, what should the code word be? Hold on. Actually, never mind. Don't type that in. Better not be daddy again. Holy. I want to do something like unique, not like the average word. We need something unique, chat. Everyone's saying unique now. Hold on, let me ask ChatGPT real quick. Actually, no, here, I'm not going to show you. I'm going to ask it in private. I'm not going to show you guys. Chat, speaking of ChatGPT, I had a wild conversation with it last night. Me and ChatGPT went into the trenches together. All right. None of these words it gave me are good. Let's just do something. We'll just do something easy, chat. We'll just do something easy. We'll do the code word Monday. We'll just do code word Monday. Type Monday in the chat. Code word Monday to win a Tradeify, a Lightning funded account. 50K. Chat, keywords Monday. I'll give you guys a few minutes to type it in there. If you haven't already, we got 31 people. Type in Monday to be entered for the giveaway. Also, be sure to hit that like button and hit that sub button for your boy. If you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We do giveaways. We do a lot of shit here on stream. A lot of my chat likes to make fun of me. I don't know why, but a lot of my chat likes to make fun of me. So if you want to come bash me every day, I'm here. I'm here. Hit that subscribe button. We got 35 people. Last chance, going once. Be sure to type Monday if you haven't already. If you have already typed it, you already entered. It doesn't enter you more times. Last chance, going once. Going twice. If you haven't hit typed Monday. Boom, we're done. All right. That's it. I'm going to put y'all's names in. Let's see, edit list. All right. We'll set it for we're set it for two minutes. We got 37 of you, bro. 37. Chat, y'all ready? Oh, G-Man wins. Just give him a little vacation bonus. Yes. Yes. All right, chat. Here we go. Let's get it, baby. Good luck. Straight to fund account. Trade by 50K on the line. Here we go. Good luck to you. Good luck to you. Veronica Brown coming out the gate strong. Tail feathers wagging fast. Holy moly. Veronica Brown, shake a tail feather. Don't fall off, though. Holy Cloud Mist coming in. Number 23 with the Santa hat. Holy moly. Cloud Mist taking the lead. Cloud Mist up in Cloud 9. Prepared heavy. G-Man, the dinosaur himself, coming in, trying to take the lead. Holy, it's a close one, chat. It is an absolute close one. We got Jason coming in with the purple suit. Jason coming in to take the lead, hanging out with Cloud Mist. Who is going to take the lead? Whose cardio is the best, chat? Who trained the absolute best for the duck race? The cardio has got to be strong. Seraphony coming in, taking the lead, looking like freaking, what's his name? The president. Don't even, George Washington. Holy moly. Veronica Brown taking the lead again with the stars. Who is going to take it? Ismail taking the lead. Holy. The tail feathers be wagging, chat. Holy moly. It's a close one. It is an absolute close one. Naif coming in with the lead. Uh-oh. Naif's turning it up. We got Jeff Berger coming in. Holy moly. Naif, don't fall off now. Jeff Berger. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jeff Berger's in the lead. Jeff Berger's in the lead. Holy moly. Cloud still on Cloud 9 right now. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, falling out. G-Man. G-Man's trying to turn it up. G-Man's trying to turn it up. Alfonsi. Oh, Alfonsi. Let's go. Mr. Alfonsi. Alfonsi. Holy moly, chat. What a race. What an absolute race. Let's go. Corey says, did you sink my duck? I think your duck sunk itself. I don't know what to tell you. Alfonsi, congrats. I see you in the chat. If you're in my Discord, shoot me a DM in Discord. If you're not in Discord, link in the description to join. Make sure you join up on there, and then send me a DM in Discord, and I will get you a code for the 50K straight to funded. That was a workout. I need a beer. Chat, y'all's duck, man. Y'all got to train your ducks right for this kind of thing, bro. If your duck isn't hitting the cardio, bro, if your duck isn't hitting cardio, you need to get it in the gym and start doing the cardio. My duck needs to hit the gym. Yes. Get your ducks in the gym to prepare for the next one, chat. That's it. That's all there is. Chat, it is 10 o'clock. We are going absolutely nowhere. We were just absolutely sideways. We're going to call it a day there. Remember, Tradeify's 50% off ends today, chat. So be sure to click that link in the pinned comment. Use code JM, or there's a link down in the description as well, to lock it in before it goes away. It's 50% off that 50K and 25K accounts. Make sure you're subbed to the channel, chat. We're live every single day. We will be back live this afternoon, chat. This afternoon, we will be back. Come on through, baby. Hit that like button on your way out. Subscribe on your way out, chat. Alfonsi, send me a DM in Discord. Chat, have a good rest of your morning. I'll see you guys later. Cheers.